All right, welcome to LearnWire. Today we're going to be looking at ContextMinds. I went and checked my YouTube channel, and believe it or not, I never did a review on this software, and this was out about a year ago. So this is ContextMinds. It has great reviews, 57 reviews, and it's about a 4.6, 4.7 stars. So it's got some good reviews and good ratings. So I want to take a look at it because it is a mind map tool, but it's also a keyword research tool and kind of a content research or data tool that you can combine all the data that you research about a topic, and then you could go and create content on it. I believe they've added the ability to start writing content inside as well, but it's probably recommended to continue using your other tools once you gather the research, because they have not yet added ChatGPT 4, but that is something that they're definitely putting on the roadmap because that's one of the top features being added now. To me, it's very surprising that they do not have ChatGPT 4 as a go-to. That's like a staple. You've got to have that in your AI tools these days. Right off the bat, something just a little bit surprised and disappointed about, but still people are loving the tool. This is one of those ones where I'm going to go ahead and just go and not mess around. I'm going to go ahead and just purchase this one for you guys so we can get full access to give a demo. Before we do that, I wanted to go and just get your guys' opinion. If you made it this far in the video, good for you because you get to vote. If you guys want, this one is getting really good reviews over here, 14 reviews. If you guys want me to visit or purchase vidboard.ai and do a review on it, then that would be cool. There is some reasons why I don't want to do this. And on one of my other channels, I already did a review on this. They actually launched on PitchGround a year ago, and Vidboard AI review. This was the last video that I uploaded 8 months ago. So about 8 months ago, they were on PitchGround, and I did a review on that. So essentially what Vidboard has relaunched, they've changed the UI and they've done a lot of improvements. So it looks pretty good, but if we come down here, it needs a fair amount of work still right over here to this person over here. There's just some things that I've read that kind of just are off-putting a little bit. So I'm not really sure if I would want to review this. And then also you get extremely low amount of content. 10 minutes of HD quality avatar head video right over here. These are the kind of things that are just a little bit off-putting where I don't really want to do a review on it. But if you guys want me to do a review, if it's going to help you stay away from the software or help you make a purchasing decision, then just say Vidboard down below and I will know what you mean, and I will go ahead and get this review out to you guys as well. Okay. So let's go back. ContextMinds. I'm going to go purchase, sign up for an account, and then we'll be back and do the review. This is what it'll look like after you redeem your code. They're very clear about what you get, the amount of credits and so forth. So super cool. And then you just come down here and you'll push the redeem code one more time. Oh, from here, you actually will just click on this button right here to go back to the app, and we should be signed in. And here we go. So apparently they did redesign the UI to make it easier to use. So we'll go and start just unboxing. How easy is this to figure out and how easy is it to use? So it says it's so empty here. Start by creating your first map. So we'll click the map button. It says enter initial topic, traveling, or how to get a better job. Let's go with, what do we want to go with today, guys? Let's do some making money online type thing. How to make money online, something like that. Private map. So if turned on, content of this map won't be used in suggestions to other users. You can still share it with a link. Yeah, I don't have another user, so I don't really care about being private or not, but we'll just leave it on default. So we'll say create. So now ContextMinds is going to go out there and we have our topic at hand, how to make money online. So then we're going to go through and what does it tell us to do next? Just initially, just looking at this straight out of the box, there isn't really anything else going on. Okay, so we're in, I don't know what to do next, so we'll just have to start figuring it out. But there isn't really how we had that kind of tutorial or next step or tip that told us to start our new mind map. It would be nice that after you do that, they need to tell you what to do. But it looks like over here, so if I push plus, start typing or add from suggestions. So we would add more suggestions right over here. I'm not really sure. So let's just say Etsy. And maybe we go like that. So then type, select, or drag items here. You can color tag, you can add notes. And let's just go over here. I'm not really sure what to put in right there. Let's just say over here, we've got YouTube is another way to make money online. Looks like we can just continue to, so I push the up button right there. And then now it's a little confusing, to be completely honest. What do you guys think? Just right off the bat. I know how to use mind maps, but I pushed the plus button and then it took me up here to how to make money online. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of that. What does it do if I push the down button? also does the same thing. Okay. Now, if I exit out of that and then I go to YouTube and push the down button right over here, now it's going to say it's just going to be YouTube. So we need to be very specific how to make money on YouTube. So I would need to go and maybe edit this, make money with YouTube would actually be the new one right there. And then we would go and push down. So then it would be make money with YouTube, concept notes, and then suggestions. I want to turn that on. So then now it's going to searching for topics by ChatGPT. Don't know how it's using that to, is it just producing those the way that we did go over here and go to ChatGPT real quick. I know that they're using ChatGPT 3.5, so I'm going to go ahead and that's one of my thumbs down. They definitely need to already be on the bandwagon of using ChatGPT 4.0. They also need to maybe allow us to bring our own key. If cost is an issue, then they needed to have that as an option, in my opinion. I'm sure you guys will agree with me. So we can go to keywords, questions, headings, articles, maps, use concepts. I guess I'll pause and say a good thing. I think that the UI is nice and clean. I do think it's still just a little bit messy as far as what do we do with this? What do we do with this information next? Obviously, you have your mind map over here, and then you have all your information on the left-hand side, but you're left figuring it out yourself. So make money with YouTube. I want to go and just do a test right over here. So make money with YouTube, something like that. And just push enter. It's just going to give us information on how to do that. But what kind of content is it giving us? It's giving us topics, understanding the basics of making money on YouTube, topics. So I'm going to say over here, give me some popular topics from this parent topic, make money with YouTube. I just want to do a comparison, YouTube monetization strategies, YouTube SEO. So I'm not sure where these are coming from, creating and selling digital products through your YouTube channel. So these are topic ideas, but I'm not really sure where they're getting these. And remember, this is AI that's using these, right? So you have to take these with a grain of salt. If it's not coming from a search engine, then we don't know if people are actually searching for this stuff. Tips for growing your YouTube channel. So you can actually click this information button here, and it's going to give us like 17 YouTube tips to grow a new channel from scratch. So then if I wanted to add this, we can look at more information inside of here. So let's just do that for fun. I want to show you what we get. So we get related articles to that. And then we can come back. This is the same article. If we want to pin that, then it goes to the concept notes section. So that's what the pin button does. And then finally, right over here, we can go plus. It's going to add this to just as a full box up here, if you will. So we can go put that one under YouTube. So I think it needs to go under YouTube. I don't know how we connect these. If I wanted to connect these two right here, I'm not seeing an option to connect the dots because this has to do with YouTube. So I would want to put it underneath there. That would be nice to see if it would do that. I want to go back over here, and then we're back on this one. So tips for creating. So if you push the plus button, it's going to put that one up here. So how to create a YouTube channel from scratch. We have tips for growing your YouTube channel and increasing earnings right over here. So then that would be another one, but I want to be able to make this small and put it under here, right? Under the make money on YouTube. I guess there's just a little bit of a confusion on using this arrow, using the arrow here and pushing a plus button versus having these other topics come out here as full parent topics, if you will. These topics should automatically go underneath the make money with YouTube, in my opinion. But nonetheless, I'm going to go back over just to keep exploring. So let's go to keywords. So keywords, search volume 720 KD. Now, if we go back over here to ContextMinds and then we go to the founders over here, he goes over the differences that are what they've improved on ContextMinds 2.0. They call him Finn after his dog, but they have added the ability to, in addition, so they've improved keyword metrics, keywords everywhere added. In addition to SpyFu, you can now see keyword metrics from keywordseverywhere.com, which aggregate. Okay, so that means that it's actually they're handling that for us, and that is an ongoing cost. I did not have to put my Keywords Everywhere API or anything like that in, and I'm glad that I didn't have to do that. That means that they're handling all these keyword difficulties over here, which is super, super cool. So I think that's a thumbs up right there, that they're handling the keyword metrics and so forth. So you obviously would be able to tell how to make money on YouTube. It gets more search volume, and then the keyword difficulty versus over here. Some of these don't even have a keyword difficulty. That means that they should be pretty easy. How to make How much money does a YouTuber make with 1 million views? All those kind of stuff, right? So you have all those. We can keep coming down here and looking at more keywords. So these would be keywords that people are searching for right over here. And then it just keeps going. I'm just keeping scrolling down, and it just keeps giving us searching for keywords by ChatGPT. So the keywords section by ChatGPT, somehow ChatGPT is it's like it's going to ChatGPT and saying, give me keywords based on that. So they're using ChatGPT to create the keywords. And then if there are search volumes, then it is filling that with the search volumes. So some of these brand sponsorships and stuff, it's not giving us keyword metrics for those. So that part is a little bit confusing. So that's the keywords. Then we can go and look at questions. These are also going to be questions from ChatGPT. Everything is based on ChatGPT. It's just one of those things. I'm putting my thinking caps on here, right? So if we want factual information and we want to be able to take this information and go and create content based on it, we're starting off with ChatGPT. So that's one thing I don't like. But again, if we go and we look at one of these, how to make money on YouTube, then that's when you go and you push the plus button. Or no, you don't push the plus button. You actually go and click that information button. We have our keyword search volume. It says that it's how to make money with YouTube, 720 there, but then it's 880 here. So not really sure what the discrepancy. We have keyword search volume. So we have 2 different search volumes right here and 2 different keyword difficulties right there as well. So interesting. But this is where you would go and start adding these articles, pinning information, like right there. During this research, you are getting real articles from the web. And then you'd be able to go into pinned notes, and you'd be able to go in and get information. It looks like it gives a summary right over here of the citation or the information, the reference. And then you can go and obviously look at the entire article as well. A cool research ability that you have to pin your notes over there. I like that. I'm going to go back over, and this one right here, I'm going to delete that. We'll move this over. I like that you can drag and drop this like I'm doing. I like that ability. We'll go over headings right over here. Introduction to making money with YouTube, creating a YouTube channel, monetizing. So these would maybe be headings that you could either use for video ideas, or you would use these for putting in your content. Again, it's all over the place. I don't really know what I'm going to be doing with this. Am I going to be combining some of these into one article? Or is each one of these an article concept? Some of those things we just don't know. I'm going to click the filter button, headings, ChatGPT headings, etc. So we'll go to articles. Here's all the information. So this is probably one of the cool things. You're looking at how to make money on YouTube, and then you have all the top ranking articles right over here. So you could actually go and pin all these. And then hopefully once you do that, then you could go into the concept notes, and then that's where you would combine all your information and then maybe take that over to Claude or ChatGPT to actually write your content. Here we go for maps. We have make money online right over here. Not really sure what this is, but I'm going to go ahead and just click on that and move this over here. And what is this? So I'll go ahead and just click on that. So it's a map that has already been created, notes pinned to map concepts. So we have online and offline questions. How can I make fast money online, and how to make money online without paying anything, and how to make money online right over here. So you can see there's a couple different things, these questions, putting these questions in this box. I haven't really figured out how to do that. It definitely is not something that's like an easy thing to do, because I haven't really figured out how to do that. User concepts, notes to e-commerce, note to e-commerce right over here. Yeah, not really sure what this is as well. It would be nice if they had some notes right here. So if I hover over this, it would give me a tip of where this content's coming from. What does this content mean? Again, those are some things that I just feel like the software is missing. What do I do with this? What is user concepts? Because all of this information came from a user. Someone wrote this information, all the information, price, financial system. Yeah, just really not sure what that one is. We have metrics over here. So make money online, 740, no, that's only 74,000. Keyword difficulty, ranking difficulty, total monthly clicks, and percentage of organic clicks. So don't know where this information is coming from. Okay, it's coming from SpyFu. So they are already connected to SpyFu as well. So that's where these metrics are coming from. So I like that there's some data sources inside the software. We could also take SpyFu off and see what the difference is, and see if keywords everywhere is giving us the 74,000, and then SpyFu gives us the rest of the information. Let's see, SpyFu, no suggestions could be found for the selected category. Try changing the filters. So yeah, not really sure. We tried to turn off keywords everywhere, and it didn't give us anything. Interesting stuff. And then we'll just go over to chat. So how can I help you with make money online? So you can actually come in here and ask the chat box, give me 10 popular topics for this topic. And I pushed enter right there, and it just goes down. So you actually have to push the button down here to use that. That could be bothersome to some. Affiliate marketing strategies and tips, passive income, how to start an online e-commerce business, freelancing, monetizing, and so forth. Then you could go and you could add this, or you could pin this to your concept notes. You can also push the plus button and have this come through right over here as well. But it only just gave us the first one right there. But like I said, so if we have a test right here, and then I want to put that one inside of here, that's how you do that. So if we basically wanted to put make money online and we wanted to put this inside of here, is that working or no? There we go. All right, Etsy, we can put that one in here as well. So then you can have make money online right over here, and then you can have these sections right over here as well inside of the parent box. Let's go and check out settings over here. Show keywords everywhere metrics. So you can turn SpyFu or keywords everywhere off, or you can have them both on. Auto link, automatically adding of relations when a new concept is added. You can actually do that. Straight links, draw a link as straight lines. You can adjust that as well. Target country and language, and map actions. You have all these other things as well. You can export as PNG, print. You can do export as map properties right there as well. So you have your mind map over here, and then you want to share it. You have all the different ways that you can share the mind map as well. That is it in a nutshell. Make money online, come in here, and then you have all these different topics. Digital marketing. So then maybe we want to click on digital marketing. It's going to tell us, this is probably from the bird's eye view. You put in a broad topic, you come over here, you get more broad topics in here. So digital marketing, you can see it has a lot of search volume. You get some good metrics, and then you get a brief summary of what this is about. Then you get some related articles. So this is probably the best part about this is the quick research that you'd be able to get right here. We can go ahead and add this over here as a parent category right over here. And then we can dive in even deeper from here, right? We can go digital marketing, online advertising. We can go and look at more stuff. We can actually add that. So online advertising, if I wanted to plus that right here and then just add it under digital marketing, that's how it works. So if you're into kind of mind mapping like this and having the power of ChatGPT, I think that this is a great tool. Me personally, I'm just a little underwhelmed. I just don't, it's not really something I can see myself utilizing on a daily basis, but that's totally just me. I know you guys kind of tune in, want to get my take on it, and go look at the roadmap over here. So here is their roadmap. They're considering AI paraphrasing, extract structure and topics from an existing website. I think that would be a really good thing. Future, real-time multi-user collaboration. Up next, a system-wide set of color tags, concepts, reverse the direction of the arrow by hitting an icon, auto layout, selected group of concepts. I think that would be a good one. In progress, automatic generation of initial mind map on a given topic. I think that is something that they should already have. That would be really cool. But overall, guys, I think that it's a solid tool. I think that I don't know what it looked like a year ago. You guys would have to be the judge if you already picked it up. If you have anything to say about it, leave a comment below if you think that they've massively improved throughout the last year. This is a tool that I just can't see myself using. I find myself just trying to learn how to use the software. And in a sense, I feel like I have so many other tools for YouTube, for example. I can use vidIQ. I can use ChatGPT itself. I'm just not sure how I would actually use this tool. And I think that this tool is perfect for you if you like to do keyword research and market research and so forth with mind mapping. If you actually like to use a tool that has a mind map that you can actually break down, hey, make money online, but then we have all these other different things. And inside of those, we have all kinds of, this might be a good way to map out a YouTube channel, right? I can see a use case for this for sure, yes. But this is just not something just based on, I just think the ease of use is just not there. And then the fact that it's basically using ChatGPT is in a sense a turnoff for me. I'd rather have data from keyword research tools or something like that. At the end of the day, I have to also be a little bit, try to put my bias aside that it's personally not a tool that I'm going to use. I would say I would probably give this about a 3.8. is just like where I'm going to land. So probably a 3.8 up to a 4.0, 4 stars for ContextMinds. Let me know what you guys think below. The link will be below, and I will see you guys in the next video.